Welcome to a 3-minute cardistry tutorial. Today let's learn how to do this Sybil variation called Drop Zone by Dan and Dave Buck. You can start by holding the cards in your left hand at the tips of your fingers, and you can lift off a majority of the deck using your right thumb. You can pull off another packet of cards by lifting off with your right middle finger and pulling down with your left index. This will create a Z-like shape with the cards. From there, you can simply drop that bottommost packet into your palm, and then you're going to break off another packet from that topmost one using your index. So you can contact the top edge of it and pull up to break off another packet. And from there, you'll want to actually turn your right hand so that it's palm up. What this will allow you to do is to grab that middle packet with your thumb and your middle finger, and you can contact kind of the bottom portion of that King of Hearts packet there using your middle finger and your thumb, and you can pull that packet out from the other ones, releasing it from your right thumb. So if you pull it out and you start to turn your left hand so that it's palm up, those other packets will be facing down in your hand. You can bring your right hand back over and palm down, and this will allow you to grab that other middle packet with a claw grip here. So you can bring your middle finger to the left side, your ring finger to the top edge, and your pinky to the right edge. Grab that packet, and you can start to extend those three fingers, pulling that packet out and on top of that topmost one. If you start to slide the packet over so it's kind of sitting on top of the other one, you can then bring that base packet on top of the other one in your left hand. If you grab it between your thumb and middle and then bring your index out to that front edge, you can release with your right hand, starting to pivot that packet and contact the close edge with your ring finger. So now that packet's between your ring and your index, you can continue to make a full 180-degree rotation and bring that packet into the base of your hand. You can hold the other packet up so it's still against your thumb, and then in your right hand, you can move your hand back and up in a quick fashion so that packet will rotate around your index and fall into the deck to end the move.